let us do simple equations now. In simple equations, the first terminology that will be used is known as the algebraic equations, statements between two expressions involving one or more variables. Now please pay attention, the statement is like this. Here we are having two or more expressions having variables. The variables can be one or more. Here we are having only one variable, that is x, and here we have two variables u and p. So a statement between two expressions. Now these are two expressions, right? Now each is having so many expressions having made up of so many variables. So that means this is one algebraic equation, this is one expression and this is another expression, this is one expression and this is another expression. So statement between two expressions have involving one or more variables. Here we have only one variable, whereas here we are having two variables. So such statements which are having two or more expressions together involving one or more variables are known as my algebraic equations. Now what are linear equations? Linear equations are algebraic equations only, but in which highest power of variable is 1. Now please pay attention, what do you mean by highest power? If I ask you what is the power of variable in this, the power of variable x is 3. If I ask you what is the power of this variable, the power of this variable is 16, right? You are familiar, this is the base and this is the power. So we have to consider the power of the variable in the algebraic expression. Now the highest power of the variable should be 1. Now please consider the first example. Here in this expression, this is an algebraic expression because it has one expression and the other expression, right? So it is a combination of two expressions. This is algebraic equation. Now here the variable we have is L. Now this variable is having power 1. If nothing is written, that means it has power 1. So when the variable is having 1 power, or you can say this variable is the only variable here, the highest power, or you can say in this particular case, this is the only power it has and the only power that it has is 1. That means this is a linear equation. Let us consider the next one. Here we have two variables, that is x and y, and both the variables are having the highest power, or you can say both are having the only power in this case as 1 each. So even this is a linear equation. You can have some examples like 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 9. Now this is also an algebraic expression. Here the variable is x, but here the variable x is having two powers. This x has power 2, whereas this x has power 1 only. So out of this, which is the highest power? Highest power is 2. That means if the algebraic expression is having a variable having the highest power not equal to 1, that is not a linear equation. This cannot be considered a linear equation. Why? Because here the power of the variable, the highest power of the variable is not 1. So this is not a linear equation. Next, please make a note when you have to find the solution of a linear equation. Now how to find a solution of the linear equation? Solution is the value. Solution is the value of variable that makes both sides equal. Now you can see over here, this is one example, 2l plus 5 equal to 9. Now in this expression, or you can say in this linear equation, this is linear because the highest power of the variable is 1. In this linear equation, what is going to be the value of variable that makes both the sides equal? Now you can say in this example, we have two sides, that is, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. The value of variable should be such that the left hand side should become equal to the right hand side. Now how is that possible? Let us check at L is equal to 2. Let us check if L is equal to 2, that means you put the value of L as 2 plus 5. The left hand side comes out to be, we are doing this for the left hand side, so the left hand side comes out to be 2 into 2, 4 plus 5, which is 9. And what was the right hand side? Right hand side was already 9. So that means for L equal to 2, we have LHS equal to RHS, right? That means L is equal to 2 is the solution of the particular equation, which was 2L plus 5 equal to 9. Right? This is how we find out the solution of the equation. Similarly, we have another equation here, that is 5g equal to 20. So let us take another example where the equation is 5g equal to 20. Let's say for example, I am taking the value of g to be 4. For g is equal to 4, what will be the LHS? The LHS would be 5 into 4, that is 20. And what is RHS? Here RHS is already 20. So we find out that for the value of g to be 4, the LHS coming equal to the RHS. So we can write, or we can come to the conclusion that for g is equal to 4, or you can write that g is equal to 2 directly, LHS is equal to RHS, hence g is equal to 4 is the solution of equation 5g equal to 20. So this is how you can find out the solutions of the equations.